If your Zoiko Orbit travel eSIM is not working, don't worry. Here are 5 quick checks to get you connected fast. First, open Settings and tap Cellular or Mobile Data. Make sure Zoiko Orbit is selected as your active data line. Next, turn Data Roaming on for the Zoiko Orbit line. Travel eSIMs require roaming to connect to local partner networks. Check that Airplane Mode is turned off. Your phone cannot connect to mobile networks while it's enabled. Restart your device. This refreshes your connection and often resolves temporary network issues. Finally, confirm that you are within your plan's coverage area. Make sure your destination is included in your Zoiko Orbit package. After these steps, your Zoiko Orbit connection should be ready. Zoiko Orbit. Stay connected wherever you travel.